50,000 discount ang ibinibigay ni Apex Homes dito sa Villa Corazon. Kung ang basic salary mo ay at least 24,000 and gusto mo na magkaroon ng sariling bahay dito sa San Miguel, Mexico, Pampanga, this is the perfect opportunity for you. Since pre-selling po ito, hindi magiging mabigat ang monthly down payment. Sa 20 months, nasa 2,742 lang per month. And yes, pasok po ito sa Pag-ibig Housing Loan with an estimated monthly amortization of 8,405. Para masecure ang preferred block and lot mo, 6,000 reservation fee para sa mga inner units, 10,000 reservation fee para sa mga end and corner unit with larger lot area. Ang turnover unit natin ay bird type with minimum 36 square meter lot area and 44 square meter floor area. Meaning no tiles, no partition, giving you the freedom to design and customize your own unit exactly the way you want. Isa ito sa mga most affordable house and lot option, particularly here in Mexico, Pampanga. Don't miss this opportunity to reserve yours now. Message us for more information and to schedule a pre-site tripping. See you here in Villa Corazon.